Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new board on the Trello application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then if you would like to create a new board, just tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you should click on board at the top of the screen. Give a name to your new board. Select the word space. You can also set the visibility of your board and the background color. If you would like to change it, just simply tap on it and go back. Now, if you would like to finish this process, all you need to do is clicking on the create button in the upper right corner of the screen. So now your new board has been created. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.